Hello trader, this is Henry here. Welcome to today's video. Today is 6th of March 2026. I'm presenting to you guys a Lumina binary sniper indicator with Petrushka anti-loss money management system. Okay guys, there is no secret in trading. Okay, trading, you need, when you have money, you make money. You make money with money. Okay, but you can also always try with little amount. We have in our Pocket Candle app money management that you can start with $75. Okay, and you can trade up to 12 times before you can lose your money. I call it cycle 2. Okay, you can find out that in our Pocket Candle AI .com. Okay, the link is below this video. If you want to subscribe to one of the monthly subscription, you will have all the money management system. Okay, so this here guys is Petrushka anti-loss money management system. This system for you not to lose money ever, never ever lose money. When you have like 1,000 2,000 up, you will never lose money guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that, and I'm going to show you. Okay, but you can still trade with $100 $200 if you want. Okay, but listen very carefully. I'm going to show you where to configure the Petrushka. Okay, so you come down here, you find it here. Okay, so you see Petrushka anti-loss money management system. I'm going to change it to be able to trade with my own account live with you guys. Okay, so I made the first video. If you are not watching it, you have to watch it. And I was very busy guys during this week. I've made a lot of configurations, setting up the Lumina robot for many clients. And different here is that I go into your computer and see exactly the broker you are using to know how to adjust the Lumina here to work perfectly for you, because brokers are different from each other. Okay, this is the difference between me and someone that you go out there and buy a robot that person created that robot in one broker, but you are using it in another broker. Okay, and some of them can tell you it works best on IC market, it works best on this broker. They are correct. The reason why is because that is where the robot was built. Okay, you guys should put that into consideration. But the real problem here is that not everybody can trade on IC market. Not everybody can trade with the broker the robot was built with. So that's the difference here, because we have today prop firm companies, and each of them have their own brokers. Most of them, I might say. Okay, so I have to go in and see exactly how the calculation of how the trade, how it works, to be able to certify that we work exactly for the user that purchased the EA. So this is the difference between me and other robots you're seeing out there. Okay, no one, like 90% of them will not even talk to you. They will just reply your message. They will not even give you that attention. Okay, so knowing very well what I created as a trader, I'm a trader, I'm not a coder, but I created this. Okay, and I know exactly what I built, so that's why I know how to change this, modify the settings when I'm into your brokers to know how exactly to trade. So with that being said, I was very busy this week. Okay, I made a video about this Lumina binary sniper indicator, and I haven't even posted it, and yet you can see that we have a lot of changes here. We added Petrushka anti-loss money management system. We added these buttons. It wasn't there in the first video. This EA indicator, okay, has two types of trading indicators in it, and I prefer this one. It gives more signals. Okay, I prefer this one. That's why I implemented it. So I'm going to trade live, and I'm going to show you exactly how to trade with this money management system. Like I said, you can start with $100 $200, but the minimum amount, initial stake amount you must put here is $2. Okay, that is the minimum you must put. So today I'm going to put trade. So I know that the minimum amount accepted by my own broker is $2. Okay, so I'm going to start with $4 because you understand the reason why very soon. So my broker is paying 92%. You have to shake the current pay you're trading. Okay, my broker is paying 92%, and the minimum profit to auto reset I want it to be $5. That is 0.5% of my account balance. Okay, guys, 5% of my account balance. Okay, so this indicator is called candle impulse. You can see it here. Okay, the setting is very simple. Okay, you can set it like this. Okay, you can set it and see how to trade. Okay, so I set it to trade with the trend. Okay, now let's move. Let's go straight. Make sure you install it on the expert advisor, because it's an expert. Okay, make sure you allow DLL, make sure you allow live, and here you can go to our website. Okay, and here you should make sure that you have this installed in your tools. Okay, don't worry guys, when you purchase it, just contact me at HZandOs and I will guide you with more things. Okay, and also you can also be able to know that we have an extra indicator inside this apart from this inbuilt. Okay, as well. So here I'm done. It's going to clear. It's going to restart everything, so it's going to take a little bit time. So you can see it have updated my time. This is not from this indicator, that's why it did not change. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, this, for it to work, you have to program it. Okay, so let's go here and trade. Okay, we have a buy signal coming up, so we are going to trade exactly. I've been trading guys. We are going to trade exactly with the amount is showing us. So the first amount is $4. So as I put the first amount there, I'm going to also make sure that I put the second amount is $2 0.9. Okay, 0.9. This I will back it up with as a martingale. As the trade is going on, you can see the timer here. We are going to buy after this time here. It's telling us to buy on the next candle. That is how we trade. So whenever we trade, it does not repent. This indicator does not repent. So don't worry if you see it coming back down. So the most important, you know that you are going to buy. So I'm going to buy with 59 here. Here we go. Okay. So I bought in. Based on this broker, I know that I have to go in with 59 seconds. I don't wait for this to clock the time here before I go in. So guys, I made a mistake here. It's not 4, it's 2. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, if you use, if your broker minimum trading amount is $1, so you must put $2 as the first trade. Okay. Guys, one more thing, you must have these 2 pages open. One, you monitor the trade. The other one, you get ready for your martingale. Your martingale is not actually a martingale. As you can see, it's lower than the first entry. So regardless of what is going to happen here, you must be ready. See that? It's coming down. Okay? You must be ready to trade, to go into the trade immediately. So let's see if you're going to win or if you're going to lose. Okay? So we want that. So since we want that, you can see another signal is coming. But before we trade that signal, you have to come here and compute that as a winning trade. Okay? You have to compute that as a winning trade. See that? Cycle profit and loss is 3.68. Okay? Balance here is that, so it's going to repeat the first trade. Whenever you win, it's going to repeat again. Okay, so it's exactly how much profit I made, 368. Okay, so now we are waiting for a sell signal. Okay, wow, this guy is crazy. The available balances to trade is very low. Okay, so let's wait. 59, I'm in. Okay, so I'm always trading with 59. Okay, you have to watch this or you have to watch this. Okay, if your broker doesn't have, we have it here for you. All right, but sometimes if your system freezes like mine is doing now, so that's where you need to put your eyes here. Okay, so as this trade is going on, you know already that, okay, it's showing me 1.5 here. If I lose, that's a problem for me. Okay, it's showing me 1.5 here. If I lose, so what I'm going to do, I'm still going to trade this. Okay, I'm still going to trade this, and if I lose again, I'm still going to trade that again. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Maybe I have to change it to fit exactly what I want. Okay. So we want that at the end. Guys, one more thing I'm going to tell you. See this? This is exactly what happens with the broker. It can favor you, it can go against you. Be careful with this. It is not manipulation. It can be for manipulation. Sorry guys, it can be manipulation. Maybe there are people buying and they decided to sell. Okay, so it favored me. So maybe someone is with a bigger amount and that person was not favored. Okay, so they are always going to make it based on where it favors them most. Okay guys, so as I win that, I'm going to come here and click win. So currently you can see our account is growing. All right, so we have a buy trade here, but I think I needed to make some changes here. I'm not going to buy now guys, so let's go here and make some changes to be able to suit all my trading needs. Okay, so let's go to Petrushka. So here I'm using initial stake as 4, so I'm going to put it to be 6. Okay, I'm going to put this to be 6. All right, so let's wait for the next signal. Or should we buy? Let me go inside this trade. But it's not counting guys, it's not counting, so I'm going to reset here. So everything is resetted already. So this trade is not counting, okay? Let me try to do normal material. Okay, so that I want that. Okay, so let's wait for a new signal here. Okay, now here we put 3, 6, sorry guys, 6. Okay, and here is going to be 3. I wanted to have a losing sequence so that you guys can understand how powerful this is. Okay, our balance is 1,000, risking 1,000. Okay, like I said, the more money you have, the more money you make. So our balance is 1,000. Let's restart over again. Okay, so it's going to auto reset whenever we are in profit on $5. Okay, so this is the first trade, this is the second trade. Point 13. Okay, make sure everything is correct. All right, so I think with this now, we are not going to get less than 2 minimum dollar trading amount, stake amount here. Okay, so this is all you need to shake before trading. 59, and I'm in. See that it goes in exactly at the price that it's supposed. Okay, this is very, very important. So you have to know your broker, how it works. Okay, there are brokers that if you go in 59, you will go in early. Okay, so this is the actual timing for this broker. Okay, let me clear here. Okay, so see that, must pay attention to this 3.13, I think so. Yes. All right, let's see how it goes. So this I'm waiting. Okay, monitoring it and waiting to go into the next trade. Okay, 59 and into the trade. Okay, so here we go, I'm into the trade. So as the trade is going on, I have to come here and compute this as a loss. You have lost the first one, so we're on this one. It shows in gold color. So let's go back and monitor it. So as we are monitoring, we are having a buy signal. So what do you do now? Okay, what do you do now is that I'm going to tell you what to do. As this buy signal is going on, you have to put this amount 398 here. Okay, 398. You must have 2 page open. So I'm going to click on new option and get ready here as I monitor this here. Okay, this is going on here. I'm going to buy for next signal if I lose. Okay, but if I win, if you win, you will trade this again. So you don't need to change anything from here. Okay, 58, 59. Do you understand, guys? If let's say that if I want this, it's going to tell me to trade this again. So there's no need to change this. Okay. So now, as I'm monitoring this trade, guys, we have to quickly take a look at the next trade. So we have to mark this as loss. We are on this 5.6, 5.06. So I'm happy that this loss sequence is coming, so that when you are trading, you don't get panic. Okay. So I'm going to quickly come here and put 5.06. Is that correct? So I'm going to make it available here. All right. So we don't have any new signal here. So if we win, we can still wait for new signal. But as we are losing, we have to go in with this. Okay. Go in. Okay. So we lost that. I'm happy that this loss is coming, so that you guys can understand how exactly it works. Okay. That is kind of trading that you don't get panic. Just be patient and you make money. Okay. So we lost this, and we are trading this already, and it's going to be a win. But if it wins, but you don't trust. Okay. You must get ready. You must put this here. Yeah. Okay. We are on this. Then you come here. You must put it 6.4. Okay. Because it can come down anytime. Oh, sorry, guys. So now I'm going to, because we have a new signal here, I'm going to put this open, okay? If we win, we are going to trade this. If we lose, we are going to trade this. As we are winning, I'm going to sell here with it, okay? So you understand why I say here, if I click win, because we won here, if I click win, it's going to still show me the same amount to trade. Take a look at this. And come here and click win, so I'm still going to trade the same amount. So that's why you don't need to change it, okay? And go into the trade immediately. Okay, guys, I hope this is very, very clear, but I'm going to trade until we recover and be in profit again, so that you guys can understand. Okay, you don't need to just be patient. Make sure that the payout is 90% and above. That's it. That's all you need. Don't trade with lower payouts. Okay, that's where the brokers make money. When the payout is low, they make money from your losses. Okay, because low payout is not easy to recover. And trust me, forget about those indicators with 90%, 95% win rate, bro. Markets do changes. Okay, so we want that. You come here and put we won. It's still showing me now. It's showing me to trade 5.07. So we are waiting for a new signal. Then I'm going to come here, 5.07. So you can see there's no tension here. I created this because this is not the Pocket Candle AI, which I like to trade myself. I created this for you guys. Okay, I like to trade with Pocket Candle AI on 5 seconds. But many of you are upcoming traders and doesn't know how to trade so fast. Okay, so as I put 5.7, I'm going to come here and put 7.8, 7.82. Oh my goodness. So you can see I have enough time to do what I want. 58, 59, I'm selling. Okay, so here I sold. Okay, let's see the outcome. All right, remember we are on this 5.07, 5.07. All right, so and if we lose, we are going to trade this. Okay, if we win, we compute it and see the next amount to trade. Okay, so let's wait. So whenever we are back in profit, I'm going to stop trading, okay? Because the video is being too long, okay? So make sure that you see this, it says new option. Make here this is open for me to trade, okay? Because if it is closed for you to trade, you might be late in going into the trade, okay? See that? Regardless what is happening, don't just think that you are winning, okay? Just focus on this. Immediately it loses, you go into the trade, okay? See that? At the die minute, okay? See that? We lost at the die minute. It happens, okay? I'm going to recover this. Keep watching. That is why money management. I keep saying to you guys, money management is the key to go. That's when you make money with money management system. Okay. So I'm trading with this. We have to come here and compute this very fast. So I'm trading this. The next is 12.07. Okay. So I'm going to put it here. 12.07. Okay. But if we lose, if this come down here, we are going to trade this again. So I'm going to open both of them and monitor the candle. I can see my trade here as well. So if as it's losing, we are going to buy with 12.07. Okay. I'm in. Okay. Okay, so what is the material? I'm going to come here to compute, so to know that I'm into here. It is very, very good that it's losing, guys. You see the magic to happen. So here I'm going to trade with 18.63 if we lose this. All right. Maybe I'm going to fast forward this video so that it doesn't take much of your time. Okay, but pay attention to understand this. Okay, to avoid asking questions when you have the video. Because when you ask me question, I'm going to just send you the video. Okay. So here I'm going to put 18.63. So here we are ready. So you wait, and when you're trading with this kind of broker, make sure you close this because it might tell you that you don't have enough area to trade. So let's wait. It was a draw, but guys, I'm going in with the martingale. So I'm supposed to go in with the same amount, but I'm going to count it as a loss. Okay. So I'm going to count it as a loss. Have it computed? I don't think so. Okay, now it's computed. So I'm counting it as a loss. Regardless of the outcome, if we lose, I'm going to count this as a loss as well. Okay. But you can see very clearly that it won there. Okay. So if we win this, we are going to trade it again. Okay. So if we win it, we are going to trade it again. But if we lose, 28. Okay. Okay. we're trading it again, okay guys? I'm a little bit late, okay? Because I'm making video. So when making video, you don't pay much attention. Okay? So if I come here and click as win, it's going to show me this amount again. You want to see that? See that? You want that because it's still showing me the same amount. So that's why you trade it again. Okay? If we lose now, it's going to be 38.88. Alright guys, so I'm going to get this ready. Guys, that was a winning trade, guys. That was a winning trade. Can you see that? What I'm telling you guys? But they don't want to go up. The broker doesn't want to go up. Also, or maybe because I'm late, I don't know. But I'm going in as a market, okay? So let's keep trading. It's part of trading, okay? Can put that as a loss. Now the next is 81. We'll come here. Take 81. Polybobbing. So we are on this one now. Okay, let's see. 169. Okay. 169. Let's go. So the market have to move a lot for them not to manipulate you. Okay. The market have to move a lot for them not to manipulate you. So the market is ranging. That's where they manipulate. And this time around, I don't usually trade. I'm just trading to make video because today is Friday. Okay. So we won that. So we come here. That's a 1. And our profit is resetted back to 6. Can you see that? So all those bad manipulation losses, you will still come back in profit. Okay, guys. So this is very powerful. All right. You can contact me direct at HJungus, or you can just go to their website and. I don't think you can contact me if you want, but the website is there. I don't think I have put this in the website, okay? But you can contact me at HJungus, okay? That's my Telegram account. Alright guys, I'm very tired. I need to go and get some rest and enjoy the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you for the next one. Bye bye.